my fishing companions for the day. Yeah. Yep. Right guys, it's the 9th of January. This is the first chance I've really had to get down here and fish again in the last month or so. I tried fishing last month 3 times. The weather's been atrocious. We just had rain. All the rivers are pretty much swollen and blown out. Totally unfishable. My only option is the canal. And the last time I came down here, I came down to make this video. I got home and all my footage was useless because my GoPro steamed up. So I'm actually trying something different this time. I tried this last time I was down here and I did catch a couple of fish, so hopefully I'll have the same luck. I'm going to be fishing with this micro spoon. It's a 1/2 gram micro spoon. Like I said, I did catch some fish on it last time, so we're going to try again, see how we get on. Oh yeah. Let's get the rod fully extended. Yep. So I'm fishing with the Esoteric Strooan 2, which is, to be fair, my favourite rod. So let's see how we get on with it. It's a little bit windy today, but we're going to make the most of it. It shouldn't be a problem with these micro spoons because they're pretty heavy. You just still got to let them sink a little bit. The water looks pretty clear today. I can see that spoon in the water, no problem. I can see it spinning along there. I'm using a brightly coloured one. Let's get it out. Right out there. Just let it sink. So I'm just slowly kind of pulling it through the water. Oh, felt something then. It may have been the bottom. It's ever so clear today, so I don't know what luck we're going to have. Little tug then. I don't know if you can see that action there. Oh, the wind's just blowing it straight back in my face. Definitely go doing a bit deeper. Oh, that was something. Could have been anything, but that was something to catch then. It's probably just the bottom. Oh, I think I saw a fish look at it then. got one. Got one straight away. Well, not straight away, but pretty. I've only been fishing for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It's a little perch. There he is on the spoon. It's a good start. Hopefully we'll get plenty more. So one thing you've got to be careful is the hook doesn't get hooked around the line, because they don't spin properly, obviously. They don't actually spin anyway, they just kind of wriggle through the water. They look like they're spinning. I don't know if you can see that. So when I first got these, I wasn't sure whether I needed to put like a little micro swivel or something on there, but you don't. The line doesn't get twisted at all. You really don't need to pull this too hard. So try a slightly different technique this time and keep the hot rod high and just try and bounce that spoon up and down in the water. Yes, and it worked. Oh, we got a good one. Ooh, that's a nice sized fish. I don't even know what that is. I have to use one. It's a good sized fish. Oh, I think. I don't know whether that's a chub or what. Well, I'm just going to have to unhook him a minute. See if I can use this to get it out. No, that won't work. It looks like he's been caught before, or he's got a big chunk taken out of his back. Oh, what's going on here? There we go. Hey, alright buddy, alright buddy. There we go. Let's give him a quick measure. He looks like he's it's a 12-inch fish. Just about, maybe. I think it's, I'm not sure what it is. I think it's a what are they called? Chub. I think it's a chub. I'm not entirely sure. Right, let's switch it up, let's try and fly. Just rising over there, there's loads of fish in there. Alright, let's see where we got them rising. Alright, we're gonna have to wrap it up here, guys, for today. I only caught 2 fish, so I may come back down again later in the week if I get the chance. Otherwise it's going to be a pretty short video. So I did manage to catch a couple of fish on the micro spoon, so that was good. We can always come down another day and have another go. That's the beauty of the canal. It's right on my doorstep and you can pretty much fish it whenever you want, even if even when you've had a lot of rain. It does, you know, it never floods. Anyway, I've got to get back to my car before I get a parking ticket. See you on the next one.